Hello everybody, it's Ken here with the layout update. Saturday, August 29th. It's been about 2 months since my last update. One thing I did was put on this cat blocker. Cats like my layout and they would mess things up. So let me get it ready. Got a couple of new things here. If you can see them down in there. Finally found a band to play. Yep. And still looking for the painters to bring my signs back for the buildings. Painters in this town, awfully slow. There's a few more vehicles around town. Some wild dogs roaming around town here and there. And working on the propane facility. Have some more fence in the works. Alright, the main thing I wanted to show you was my EMD AC70 SD70. I like them a lot. I took off the plastic horn and put on a brass one. He's got him a load of cushion coil cars. And there's some more cars in the yard. I started running some trains and had a lot of trees in the way. Started derailing stuff, so I pulled a bunch of the trees and found out my bridge over here was not tall enough, so I had to raise it up. Otherwise I was derailing. So I'm going to hand the camera to her and start running a few trains and let you see. There we go. You can get down low where you can see them coming at you. The war bonnet. And here's my new GP40. See if I can put this passenger train into the station. And it comes around. Should go into the station over there. You're not filming. And he should stop on his own. And he does. Now, bring out the coal car. Okay, that's about it for this update. I'm going to be looking for some more cars and grain cars and other fixtures, little details. Alright, well everybody, thanks for watching and stay tuned. I'll try to post another update when I get some more stuff done. Thanks for watching.